Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations for SACs Academy. That's right, we have a new class, the Craft Consortium Enchanted Jungle class. Plus, this class has a bonus at the end as well. There is a bonus project. So we hope that you guys will hop on over to the Academy video and join us in creating this super lovely project. Not only, of course, will you have the full tutorial in the Academy with measurements, details, chit-chat, product information, and so much more, but you will also, of course, have access to all of the other classes that are already in the Academy and so much more. So again, if you're a member already, just head on over to our videos on our YouTube channel and you will be able to see in the members section that this video is already available for you. If you are not a part of the Academy, we do hope that you guys will look into it and join us. There are so many reasons to join, not only for exclusive video and content, but also, of course, for tons of extra perks. I will leave an information card here at the end so you can go ahead and just hop on over and find out more about the Academy, because with one monthly flat fee, you have access to all of the classes and so much more. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to just leave them in the comments down below and we will be happy to answer them. Again, thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to check out the video on the Academy, and if you've missed any other ones, remember they're always there for you to refer back to year after year. Plenty of classes, lots of fun lives, not to mention craft nights and perks such as custom emojis, etc, etc. Thank you so much, and we will see you all on the next video. Bye.